And yeah, here we go. This is the first opening that we have. This is for SOC Analyst L1 and L2. It's a Chennai based role where the 3 to 6 years of experience is required. Meanwhile, I'm going to say with the for the absolute freshers as well. But it's a mix opening, right? So it's for 3 to 6 years of experience. L1 is you need to monitor and try a security alert. You need to perform initial investigation. L2 is senior position, and there are skills which are required: IBM QRadar, Splunk, all those skills is required, and incident response skill is very important. So certification in security plus CSCY, SA, IBM QRadar, and GISC is very important. If you have all those things, then probably you'll be having a good chance to get hired for this role. Why join? Because SOC is very crazy domain, right? This is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, and accordingly they are going to send you mail if you got selected. Next opening is cybersecurity analyst in Doha, Qatar. There are multiple roles. Once again, you can see cybersecurity engineer, IAM, PM, DLP, and DLP is basically, just let me know in the comment box what exactly DLP means. Second is cybersecurity engineer, network security. Third is DevSec engineer, which is L3, and this is what they are looking for: 2 to 4 years of experience in cybersecurity. So, and this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, and if you get selected, you will get a response, right? It's in Doha. It's in Qatar. Yes, वही जगह जहाँ पे बम गिर रहा है. Now next opening is basically in 0 day. It's a company name. They are hiring for cybersecurity consultant. There are 10 hirings. So if you are absolute freshers, you can apply for this role. If you have 3 to 4 years of experience, then again you can apply for this role. This is immediate available, and this is you should have knowledge about web application security, mobile security, and API security, right? And where you can apply? There's a mail ID on which you need to send your resume, right? Next opening is threat intelligence and cyber threat hunting lead. What you will do, you need to just work on threat intelligence, right? End to end threat intelligence life cycle. But this job is required 5 to 8 years of experience, right? And hands-on experience on ADR, XDR, SIEM, threat intelligence tool, and telemetry, right? And you can see all those things here. Now, this is a mail ID on which you can drop your resume. The next opening is basically in RAS security. They are hiring for multiple roles: L3 SOC analyst, L3 EDR SME, L2 SOC analyst, L1 SOC analyst, SOC specialist, one cybersecurity, SOC analyst, right? And this is a mail ID on which you can drop your resume. This is not a mail ID. This is a link where you can apply for the role, right? Now, next opening is basically 6 months of internship. Okay, so they are hiring for interns. They are the key responsibility you need to do. They are the key requirement, and this is a mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? Now, next opening is cybersecurity intern Kiritan and Pandit LLP. What the name of the company is? And by the way, it's a 6 month of internship. It's in Mumbai. It's in Dadar, and it's cybersecurity internship role. Great opportunity those who want to get hands-on experience. And this is mail ID tanvi.chakradev@kirtanipandit.com. Right. Next is Root Security is hiring for the SOC architect, SOC analyst, L2 cyber defense, and SOC level specialist. You can see build SOC from zero and all those things here. This is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, and this is the mobile number. In case they're not responding you can drop a message here, right? Now the next opening is cybersecurity engineer, pentesting tester. They want 4 to 9 years of experience, right? Location is Bangalore. Interested candidate can write this in subject line if you want to get selected, and this is the mail on which you can drop your resume. What are the experience required, and you can see if you got shortlisted, then you will get a mail. Next is cybersecurity professor. Temisto Technology Private Limited is looking for cybersecurity professor. Minimum 6 months of experience required. So guys, if you have got good knowledge, then you can apply for this role. Within 2 to 3 weeks, they are going to hire you cybersecurity experts who want to teach and mentor the next generation. They can apply. It will be in Gujarat, Ahmedabad, and English, Hindi should be proficient. Requirement is candidate must resident in Gujarat and willing to relocate, right? Matlab, it's like Raja ka beta hi Raja banega in this opening because they are just hiring for the Gujaratis only, Guju boy. And this is mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Subject line is application for cybersecurity professor. That's what we have. Thank you very much. This is the new YouTube channel Cyber Coffee, which is active, so you can learn a lot of things here. This is TCI, which means training and internship programs. If you want to apply for training, if you want to learn about web application pen testing, you check out this one. This is for SOC. If you want to learn about SOC, how does it work, you can apply for this role, right? and yes, check out right now. Let me know your query. I'm going to help.